Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can format this USB drive on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first, I'm going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on battery and device care. Now tap on storage. Next, we tap on the option key at the top and tap on advanced. And then down here, tap on your USB drive. Next, tap on format and then tap on format USB drive, and that's it. So that's how we can format your USB drive. Once it is formatted, it is ready for you to use. You can either use it to transfer files over or use it as a backup drive, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.